I want to show you guys snowy mountain. Man, that's the thing about Glock. The shell come back to me. Watch now. All the shells come back to you. I don't know why. You see? You see? All the shells come back to you. This is the thing with the Glock. Why all the shells are coming back to me? But the Glocks are a good shooter, though, man. Anybody can shoot a Glock. This guns, when you aim it, dude, right on the target. This flat spot is amazing. It's easy to shoot. It's easy to shoot something with the Glock. Very easy. This gun is amazing. You don't have to be a good shooter. You don't have to be a good shooter, man. Man, this gun is like top is flat. You can aim, hit anything.